What is hyperhidrosis?
Well, sweating is an entirely natural bodily process. However, when it's excessive, it's known as hyperhidrosis, where it can be very debilitating for patients. Why some people suffer from excessive sweating is unclear, but it can be relatively common, affecting men and women equally. It can affect different parts of the body, but a lot of the time it affects the underarms, the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet, with the rest of the body having normal amounts of sweating.
Is it really a problem?
Well, we all sweat at times, but for some people this can dramatically impact on their day-to-day lives, regardless of the weather. Then when you add in stressful situations like when you have an important work presentation or a job interview where you need to be calm and focused, the last thing you want to be worrying about is sweaty armpits. But also socially it can be very difficult for the sufferer, feeling embarrassed around their friends and their family or being uncomfortable around a new partner. Even during sporting activities like going to the gym, it can obviously be a problem. Another situation where all eyes are on you is your wedding day, and of course you don't want to be worrying about sweating then. It can have a significant effect on a person's confidence and their self-esteem, leaving them feeling very self-conscious.
But won't strong antiperspirants work?
Well, a lot of the time, even the strongest antiperspirant doesn't seem to have enough impact, and early on in the day in the underarm region you would see large damp patches around the armpits of their clothes. Some patients find that the odour created by stale sweat is also an embarrassing problem. Many patients suffer in silence, or they do not realise that there is a safe and effective way to control their sweating.
So, Arti, what treatment could you offer for this?
Well, we help many patients. We're able to treat excessive underarm sweating very effectively with a series of Botox injections just under the skin of the underarm.
I thought Botox was just for wrinkles.
Well, it is commonly used as an aesthetic treatment for reducing facial wrinkles, but Botox is also great for certain medical complaints such as muscle spasms and hyperhidrosis or excessive sweating. It basically works by stopping the messages from the nerves that control the sweat glands, and once they stop working, the sweating is either greatly reduced or almost eliminated in that area.
It sounds painful.
Actually, there is very minimal discomfort and you can return to your daily activities as normal. There are virtually no side effects, and the patient will notice a dramatic reduction in their sweating, normally within 3 to 7 days, and results can typically last from 6 up to 12 months. After that, of course, it can be easily repeated when necessary. This treatment is straightforward and effective, but most of all, it can greatly improve the quality of your life. No more need to feel embarrassed or self-conscious.
What is your advice for someone with this problem looking for a solution?
We would be more than happy to help them, and the first step is to arrange a consultation appointment with myself at Cliftonville Dental, and we can discuss your needs and take it from there.